Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to use Ring application on your iPhone as a beginner. To start using Ring application as a beginner, simply follow the steps as shown in the video and make sure to watch the video until the very end. Step 1. Download and install the Ring app. First of all, open your App Store from your iPhone. Go to the search box and type in Ring and search. Look for the application that says Ring Always Home from ring.com. Press the download button to begin downloading Ring application on your iPhone. Wait for a couple of minutes for the application to download and install. Until then, let me tell you what Ring app is. Ring application is your gateway to monitoring and managing your Ring devices. It is used for enhancing home security and convenience. The Ring application is known to be beneficial for your video doorbells and cameras, smart home integration, security features, community sharing, and much more. It empowers you to monitor your home remotely, communicate with visitors, and stay informed about security events. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to open the Ring application on your iPhone. Step 2. Sign up for Ring. Once you open up the app, you will need to allow necessary permissions by tapping on the Allow button. Once you come across this interface, tap on Create Account. Enter your first name and then your surname in the text box on the next page. Once you are done, tap on Continue. Select your country from the drop-down and tap Continue again. Enter a valid email address you have an access to on the next page. Re-enter the email once again just to confirm. Once you are done, tap Continue. On the next page, create a security password for your account. Type in your password in the text box. After typing in a password, confirm your password in the next field by entering it again. After you are done, tap Create Account at the bottom. On the next step, you will need to set up your new device. Tap on Set up a device and follow the on-screen instructions to add your Ring device such as doorbells, security cams, chimes, pet tag, lock and access device, and much more. Select one of the options from the list and follow through the instructions. After choosing the option, you will need to set up a device by scanning the QR code on your Ring product, as shown on the video at the top. Simply go ahead and follow through the instructions in order to set up your new device. Once you are done setting up a device, you can now take a tour of the application to familiarize yourself with features. Step 3. Change your Ring account's password. If you want to change your account's password for security reasons, you'll first need to go ahead and tap on the hamburger menu appearing at the top left corner. Now from the expanded menu, tap on Account Settings at the bottom. Scroll down and tap on the Password option under Account Security. Now, wait for a few seconds and tap the Update button right next to Password under Security. Enter your current password for your Ring account in the next page. After you are done, tap on Continue. On the next page, create a new password for your account. While creating your password, make sure to meet the criteria displayed on the screen. Re-enter the password once again in the next field and tap on Change Password. Once you do that, you will then be able to change your password for Ring. It'll then redirect you to the sign-in page for security reasons. Now you'll need to sign in using your new password again to access your Ring application. Step 4. Log into Ring account. Once you are redirected to the main home page and you'd like to access back to your account, first of all, you'll need to tap on the Sign In button. It'll then take you to the Sign In area where you'll need to enter your email address associated with your Ring account and tap Continue. On the next page, you will need to type in your new password associated with your Ring account. If you've updated your password recently, you will need to type in the same password. After it's done, tap on Sign In. Wait for a few seconds and you will then be able to log in back again to your Ring application. Step 5. Log out of Ring app. If you ever want to log out of the Ring application, then the process is quite easy. When inside the Ring app, tap on the menu button or the hamburger option at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, tap on the Account Settings option. Scroll all the way down from the Account Settings menu and tap on the Sign Out button. Tap on Sign Out once again and you will then be able to sign out of your Ring application right away. Remember to keep your Ring account secure and never share your password with anyone. Enjoy using Ring app to monitor your home and enhance your security. So that was a beginner's guide for how you will be able to use Ring application on your iPhone in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. You'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.